So today we are going to discuss about another fat soluble vitamin, that is vitamin K. So as I have already discussed, the vitamin K is fat soluble vitamin. There are many different forms of vitamin K. Let us give them name K1, K2, K3. The K1 is phylloquinone. This phylloquinone is present in plants, and K2 is menaquinone. So the K2 menaquinone is derived from the intestinal bacteria, and it is also found in the animals. The K3 is menatetrenone. It is the synthetic form of vitamin K. Now let us discuss the various biochemical functions of the vitamin K. The vitamin K is synthesized by the intestinal flora mainly. So mainly the deficiency of vitamin K occurs rarely. So the vitamin K is concerned with the blood clotting process. The vitamin K is necessary for the maturation of the clotting factors like clotting factor 2, clotting factor 7, clotting factor 9, 10, and protein C and protein S. Now let us discuss how it is necessary and why it is concerned. The clotting factor are synthesized as inactive precursors, that is zymogens in the liver. The vitamin K acts as coenzyme for the gamma carboxylation of the glutamic acid residue on the various protein required for the clotting. So for the transformation of the glutamate to gamma carboxyglutamic, vitamin K, oxygen and carbon dioxide is necessary. And for the maturation of the clotting factors like clotting factor 2, 7, 9, 10, protein C and protein S, vitamin K is necessary absolutely. There is one drug that inhibits the vitamin K dependent synthesis of these factors and protein, that is warfarin. So warfarin is also used as anticoagulant. I will discuss that in detail. So now let us discuss about the deficiency of vitamin K. What are the various causes of deficiency of vitamin K? One is dietary deficiency. Dietary deficiency occur very rarely because most of the vitamin K is synthesized by the intestinal bacteria. Another one of the causes of vitamin K deficiency is malabsorption of lipids. So as you know that the vitamin K is fat soluble vitamin, and the absorption of the vitamin K occurs through the lipids. And if there is malabsorption of the lipid, then there obviously will be the vitamin K deficiency, like in the condition are obstructive jaundice and chronic pancreatitis. And there also could be the prolonged use of antibiotics. If there is prolonged use of antibiotics, then the natural flora of the intestine will be lost, and there will be not the synthesis of the vitamin K by the intestinal flora. So you have to consider the vitamin K deficiency if we want to use prolonged use of antibiotics. Now let us discuss what are the various clinical manifestations that occurs if there is vitamin K deficiency. The mainly neonates or newlyborns are the major risks of vitamin K deficiency, because the newlyborn have sterile intestine, and the sterile intestine cannot synthesize the vitamin K, so there is high chance of vitamin K deficiency in neonates. So neonatal hemorrhage will be the manifestation. There will be increased prothrombin time and increased partial thromboplastin time, and we can give the prophylactic dose of 1 mg intramuscular of vitamin K to the newly born neonates to prevent the neonatal hemorrhage. Now let us talk about the warfarin and dicomarol. Warfarin and dicomarol will competitively inhibit the gamma carboxylation system due to the structural similarity with vitamin K. So they are widely used as the anticoagulants for the therapeutic purposes. So as I have already discussed, the warfarin inhibits the vitamin K dependent synthesis of the factors like factor 2, 7, 9, 10, protein C and protein S. So it is widely used as anticoagulant for various therapeutic purposes. So these are the brief explanation of the vitamin K. We discuss about various forms of the vitamin K, the biochemical functions, various causes and manifestations of the vitamin K deficiency, and we also talk about the warfarin and dicumarol as the use of anticoagulants. I hope you understood this lecture of the vitamins. Thank you.